Today we are going to visit a very cool place inside the fridge. And guess what? Two fruits having a silly argument. Hello. Hi. Hey watermelon, why are you so good? You take the half of the fruit. And why are you so tiny? People need to eat so many of you to feel full. But at least I'm easy to eat. No cutting, no mess. True, but I'm super juicy and refreshing on a hot day. You are right. People love eating you in summer. And people love